Is the banking system bankrupt? What can the Fed do now? Is this only happening in the US or worldwide? In this video you will know what's been happening since 2008, and if you liked it, give it a like. It will be very important for us to continue producing. The Federal Reserve announced a plan to reduce the size of its $9 trillion balance sheet in May 2022. However, our financial system's fundamental structure suggests the Fed will struggle to make a change. The Fed's balance sheet has grown 10 times bigger than before the 2008 financial crisis, providing unprecedented levels of aid to lift stock prices, lower borrowing costs, and achieve high profits for financial conglomerates. Despite the Fed's announcement, the last time Fed officials attempted policy normalization was in 2017, which did not yield significant progress. Facing the current economic condition, politicians and policymakers have suggested that the Fed could use its balance sheet to stabilize commodity markets, directly make transfer payments to households and more, adding to the growing list of initiatives that have put the Fed in emergency mode for more than a decade. The root cause of this transformation is our broken banking system. Since 2008, Congress has failed to address the dramatic expansion of unregulated money creation by shadow banks, companies that operate like banks but without complying with bank regulation. These companies rely on and expect public backing from the Fed when things get tough. Unfortunately, holding together the shadow banking system is why the Fed initially pumped up its balance sheet in 2008. The problem lies in the fact that shadow banks have figured out how to copy the lucrative part of the banking business, issuing liabilities that function as a form of money, without complying with the restrictive rules that prevent banks from collapsing during economic downturns. Holding together the shadow banking system is why the Fed initially pumped up its balance sheet in 2008. The Fed bailed out Bear Stearns and AIG, lending hundreds of billions to broker-dealers on Wall Street and foreign central banks abroad, which were too critical to fail by that point. In conclusion, the Fed's efforts to reduce its balance sheet are in vain because our financial system structure is already beyond repair. The banking system is broken, and shadow banks have made it even worse, relying on public backing from the Fed during times of economic distress. If we fail to address these underlying issues, we will continue to rely on the Fed's emergency mode, expanding its programs with every new economic shock. Did you like what you just watched? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a beat. Join our subscriber community and stay updated with our latest and greatest content. Don't wait, join the club now.